everyone, it's Claire back again. I know that I missed St. Patrick's Day yesterday, but I'm still kind of celebrating. So in honour of St. Patrick's Day, I've still got my little shamrocks on. I also swung by the post office on my way home from work today, and there's another huge box from Anna. So I want us to take a closer look inside this box, and I can't really do it this way, so I'm going to take you through to the kitchen and then we can see what's inside this box. Oh my goodness, I'm not entirely sure what's in here, but the letter, what Anna says in the letter is that she wanted to send my husband some German and Swiss chocolates. But then she found out about why I have been a little bit absent on social media, and she wanted to send a few things to cheer me up. Anna, thank you so much. As I always say, you don't need to do this, and I will be getting that bubble off package to you very soon. So this time she says she sent me some makeup from Catrice to play with, and the polishes that she's got were reduced, so not very expensive. And she also says that she enjoys my videos, which I'm so pleased about. Thank you, Anna. And she's bought me some tights. Now, she did email me and she was asking me about I think it's this brand of tights, and I said, look, I'm a big girl, I don't usually wear tights, and I certainly never really seem to get tights that are big enough to fit me. Now these are extra large, so possibly they will. These tights might fit Stuart, but they're going to definitely look better on you, Claire. This one's for your sense of humour. Please tell me if it's the right size. I will tell you if it's the right size. In fact, I'll put it up on the screen here if they fit me or not. But Anna, they look fantastic, and I love the shade. It's like a really fantastic sort of chocolate brown, so great for the spring and the autumn. And she says, hopefully you feel as comfy in them as I do. Well, hopefully I will, but I'll let you know if, hopefully, I mean extra large. Fingers crossed, you know. Well, thank you so much. Oh, and I can see some chocolate, Stuart. Okay, wow, what is this? So this looks like some chocolate here. Oh, fantastic. Do you like dark chocolate, Stuart? Yeah. 60% cocoa? Oh, yeah. And some nougat with cashew. So these are mine, and these will be Stuart's. But no, they're not all yours. I love this. Look how cute this is. It's like a little spring bouquet. I absolutely love it. Thank you. And there are some more chocolates. Wow, look at all these chocolates. Some more cream, nougat. How do you say that? I tend to say nugget, to be honest, but I think it should be pronounced nougat. And this one here is cream and dark, so that one can go to Stuart. He likes dark chocolate. And this one is nut. Oh wow, I think this is the brand that had those gold stars, which I absolutely loved, so I've got a feeling I'm going to really enjoy this chocolate. How am I going to fit into these tights with all this chocolate? And oh wow, what is this? This is another nut. I think that's hazelnut and nougat again. Oh wow. And even more. Wow, look at this. Look at all this chocolate here. Some marzipan, some Lindor chocolate, and some caramel brownie. Wow. Now look at that. That looks fantastic. What does that, does 21% less chance of fitting into those tights? Is that what that means? I should try the tights on before I eat all the chocolate. Okay, and so there's some Catrice makeup to play with. Let's have a look. So this is, oh right, okay, this is a Prime and Fine Transformer Drops, Lightening and Darkening. So is this for kind of like contouring, individual step-by-step, pigmented drops to lighten any fluid? Oh, you know what this is probably going to be really handy for? This one, I think, the Illamasqua foundation that I've got is just slightly too pale for me. Especially when I kind of put the finishing powder on afterwards, it really is quite too pale. In the winter, it will probably be fine for sort of winter complexion. But at the moment, I definitely need it to be darker. And I was like, oh, I don't know what to do with that foundation because it just is too pale. So I will try this darkening Prime and Fine from Catrice with the Illamasqua. I'll mix it up a bit and see if I can get a better shade, but that is really, really handy. And also I've got a BB cream that's too dark, so I do have one that's too dark and one that's too light, so these are both going to come in really, really handy. Thank you, Anna. Wow, that's amazing. It's like you read my mind. And this is Essence changed their bottle shape, so this is a new bottle form and hopefully a new polish to you. I can't remember it being in the old line. Oh yeah, this is a new bottle shape. This is, look at that, it's like a bullet, it's like a lipstick. And this is City of Stars, which is a really pretty shimmery navy, but it's like there's a bit of green in there as well. Let's see what this one looks like. Fantastic. Very, very, very saturated navy blue. I wonder if that will stain, although I've never had any staining polishes from Essence before. That is really, really quite pretty. And the shimmers in that are fantastic, especially, I mean, this is a full coverage glitter. So that is actually very, very shimmery. So that's City of Stars from Essence, and look how cute these little bottles are. So I think, is it the same? 8 millilitres. So you still get a reasonable amount of polish in this bottle. I actually really quite like those. I don't have any of these bottle shapes, and I don't have this particular polish, so that is absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much, Anna. If you're wondering what's on my nails, it is Polished for Days Oaky, which I got from I got this from a recent Rainbow Connection haul, which you will probably have seen that video already. But yeah, it's very pretty, but actually, I mean, I only applied this last night, and the wear isn't fantastic, to be honest, on the tips there. It might have just been my application, but yeah, anyway, if you're wondering, it's Polish for Days Oaky. This one looked like a nice eyeshadow palette to me, and not like a highlighter. If you give it to someone else, you can give it to someone else if you don't like it. You can do this with everything I send you. Same with anything that I send anybody else as well. You know, don't feel that you have to keep hold of something if you'd rather pass it along to somebody else. I can see what you mean, Anna. This really does look like a great eyeshadow palette rather than a highlighter. And you know what? I'm wearing green today, and I've got the green. I've got the green shamrocks as well. And I was looking for some green eyeshadow this morning, and I realised I don't have any. So these two, I think, will probably look really good together. So I can probably get quite a good eye look from those two. So that's fantastic. Spirit of Africa. I really do like this, actually, and especially with the different colours. That's fantastic for me. Thank you. I will not be passing that on. These are real jelly polishes. I thought you might want to try them with the glitter polish, especially with the white one from the same brand. Have fun with these. Oh, and this is Trend It Up. Look at that. That's got a fantastic shimmer just on its own. Doesn't need a jelly sandwich. This one is number 50, and this is actually, it's very similar to a shade that's in this brand that I've already got, but this is a Soft Vibe. So let's have a look. So this is Soft Vibe. Yeah, definitely a jelly polish. and it does have a very soft shimmer in there, and because it's a jelly formula you can actually see that shimmer in there, so that is great. So that's Trend It Up number 50, and this one, I really like the look of this one actually. This is number 40, and this is another soft vibe. Really quite impressed with this brand, and yeah, jelly, definitely a true jelly. Yeah, I just love the shimmer. That is fantastic. There's a really pretty kind of purple iridescent shimmer in there. Gorgeous. Thank you very much, Anna. And what she said here, one of my favourite polishes from this brand, a stunning Crelly. She has less than 10 bottles of this one on her website, and I ordered another one for me. As always, you're getting my backup. Okay, this is, can I guess what the brand is? It looks like a Moonshine Manny. Yes. Ooh. This is, oh, you know, I've been looking at this on Instagram. It looks absolutely amazing. It looks bright red there, but it's a very, very red-toned orange. And it's called I Am the Pumpkin King, and it is a beautiful Crelly stuffed with gold and what looks like scattered holographic. Look at that. That is an amazing formula. Oh yes, yes, yes. A perfect pumpkin red orange shade. That just looks so bright. I'm trying to find a red shade so that you can see the difference. No, it still looks red, but it is actually a very, very deep saturated orange. Wow, I love that. Thank you so much, Anna. Wow, so there were only 10 of these left on the website. Thank you, that is fantastic. Yeah, like I said, I've been looking at this. I had noticed it on Instagram and thought, wow, that is a beautiful pumpkin shade. So I'm delighted to have this and another Moonshine Manny. Always love Phoebe's polishes. So yeah, that is incredible. Wonderful polishes. An absolute ton of chocolate. Look at all this chocolate. More chocolate. And some absolutely fantastic nail polishes, and this is perfect. This is exactly what I needed. I'm really looking forward to trying this, and hopefully the tights fit. So thank you again, Anna. I will be getting a parcel to you ASAP. There should have been, you should have got the little mini trio set that was sent over to you. If you haven't got that, please let me know. I'll drop you an email anyway, and yeah, I just feel so spoiled. Thank you, Anna, and look out for my email. And thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.